MetaMask is one of the best non-custodial options in the market, with over 30 million people using the wallet to store, stake, and swap cryptocurrencies. So for new crypto user, you may wonder, what is MetaMask and what is its different from other type of wallet? Welcome to Whiteboard Invest, your #1 go-to source for clear and concise investing knowledge explanation. Here we break down complex financial concepts using a simple whiteboard format, making learning about investing accessible to everyone. In today's video, we'll delve into MetaMask and its applications within the crypto world. Let's get started. What is MetaMask? MetaMask Wallet was founded by Aaron Davis and the blockchain company ConsenSys. This cryptocurrency wallet is likened to a gateway connecting wallets with payment projects, lending platforms, liquidity providers, and more, all in a simple and secure manner. MetaMask is like a magic tool that makes it super easy to deal with any blockchain out there. It's a software that helps you interacting with blockchains ways more easier. MetaMask basically handles all the coding stuff automatically for you. All you gotta do is just hit a few buttons and bam, it's done. Basically, when you want to send some of your crypto to someone else, you use your private key to authorize the transaction, and then it's sent to servers all across the network. Personally, I have no clue how to do this manually, nor do I know which servers to send it to so that it actually gets onto the blockchain. MetaMask excels in handling all of this. They take whatever action you want to perform and turn it into a simple click of a button. In most cases, you're interacting with websites like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or even CryptoKitties, and then MetaMask acts as the go-between, connecting those sites to you seamlessly. They are both security layer and accessibility layer. Your MetaMask wallet and the website you're on are having a conversation, and MetaMask is like your bodyguard. Nothing gets past without your say-so. Think about it this way. When you stroll into a store craving some fresh Nike gear, do you have your credit card number, expiration date, and security code on the back memorized? Nope. Almost nobody memorizes all that, because it's way easier to just swipe your card or insert your chip and let it handle the details, right? Essentially, MetaMask is doing the same thing with your credit card. With your credit card, the numbers are the data, and the card itself is the means by which you use them. With MetaMask, your private keys are the data, and the browser extension is the means by which you use them. Is MetaMask safe? Yep. The MetaMask app is known for its high level of security and trustworthiness. You can rest assured knowing that the MetaMask code source is publicly available and has undergone thorough audits by highly skilled and inquisitive individuals. The primary vulnerability you might encounter isn't with MetaMask itself, but rather with the security of the computer you're using it on. For example, if your computer has a virus that attempts to access MetaMask or logs keystrokes from your keyboard, that could be one of the only ways someone could hack your MetaMask account. However, it's important to note that this isn't MetaMask's fault. It's your responsibility to ensure you're using a secure computer. Another potential risk is if you inadvertently download a fake version of MetaMask designed to mimic the original. These fraudulent versions may steal your private keys, granting hackers access to your funds. Once more, this would be a matter of where you initially installed MetaMask, rather than a security flaw in the authentic MetaMask software. One crucial point for the tech-savvy and active viewers of this channel is that MetaMask, the company itself, does not retain your private keys. In fact, they never transmit them to their servers. Your private keys and wallet passwords are always stored locally, solely on the machine where you imported them. This implies that MetaMask is essentially an offline software wallet that you activate whenever you need to utilize it. Another important point to note is that MetaMask allows you to create multiple wallets. You simply click Add a new account, and voila, you've got a brand new private key, effectively creating a new wallet address. It's incredibly useful if you want to segregate funds into different accounts for various purposes. They also make it very easy to switch back and forth between different private keys. Another significant benefit that MetaMask offers is the ability to connect with other wallets. Importing other private keys that you might own is also straightforward with MetaMask. Now, Let's say you have a cold wallet with an Ethereum account set up a year ago. Now, with the rise of decentralized applications, you might want to transfer your funds from your cold wallet to your MetaMask account so that you can easily engage with those decentralized applications, or dApps. Instead of going through the hassle of transferring your tokens and coins to a new address and paying those fees, you can simply add your mnemonic phrase or copy and paste your private key into MetaMask, and voila! Your funds are now accessible in your MetaMask wallet. Your account is now accessible both on your cold wallet and through your MetaMask extension. In short, MetaMask excels at enabling you to create multiple wallet addresses and easily import existing wallets you already possess. So, this brings us to another very important question. How does MetaMask generate income? Because it is a company and it does employ developers, well, there are two main ways. One option is that you can purchase cryptocurrency directly to your wallet through a third party when using MetaMask. MetaMask earns a small fee for every buy and sell transaction that occurs through its extension. These nominal fees accumulate due to the widespread use of MetaMask, which is attributable to its excellent product offerings and large user base. It's similar to how credit card companies can charge transaction fees and, in turn, offer rewards to their customers. With so many individuals purchasing crypto through MetaMask, they're able to provide a reliable and trusted product. Secondly, MetaMask allows you to swap tokens, such as from Ethereum to basic attention token like XRP or else. Well, they charge an incredibly low fee for that service as well. Essentially, MetaMask generates revenue by taking small fees from buying, selling, and trading transactions facilitated through their software. In short, MetaMask is a software wallet that allows you to browse the web and interact with decentralized applications, dApps. They can store multiple private keys and are compatible with various networks, including the Ethereum network and the Binance Smart Chain network. Additionally, MetaMask is free to download and use, and it's renowned for its safety, which is why it's one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets available. That's all we got for MetaMask today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope that you learned something. And don't hesitate to drop your questions or feedback in the comments below. Because of YouTube's algorithm, please give me a like so that this video can reach and help more bros. And click the subscribe button if you don't want to miss my next explainer video.